This is 5 gym exercises for fishing. To start things off, we got walking with your rod and tackle box. 10 minutes of this. Don't forget to look around for sight fishing. Next up, we got cable casting. Make sure you're getting those reps in. We got 3 sets of 10 reps. Alright, next up we got cable hook sets. And just like the casting, we got 3 sets of 10 reps. Now assuming we actually catch some fish, we got kettlebell fish grabs. I want you to do 4 sets of 12 reps. And don't forget to practice that surprised face. And to finish things off at number 5, we've got 30 reps of quick lure changes. Perfect for those fishermen who just can't seem to stick to one thing. Follow for part 2.